When you want the HK MP5K and your mom says, boy, we got the MP5 at home. But first, a quick homage to the rest of the team. This is my 4th tax stamp SBR, and it's quickly earning its place at the top. Compact, refined, and built like a tank. This setup is an absolute dream. Let's talk upgrades. First up, the heart of the system, all HK internals. Smooth cycling, reliable, and true to the MP5 heritage. The trigger, yup, Timmy, crisp and clean, elevating precision to another level. Housing all of this is a Navy SEF lure, keeping the classic aesthetics while maintaining ergonomic function. For stability, I've got a B&T folding stock. It locks up solid, deploys fast, and keeps the footprint tight when needed. Up front, the Midwest Industries rail adds versatility, and the A3 Tactical vertical grip provides that extra control when running it hard. Pause. Optics-wise, I went with the Turkish-made MRO, mounted on a Bowtac low-profile mount for a lower core witness, giving me that fast target acquisition without unnecessary bolt. It all comes together in one hell of a package. Whether it's the compact size, insane build quality, or just how damn fast this thing shoots, this AP5-M SBR is quickly becoming my go-to. And there you have it. Anybody else running the AP5-M? If so, what light systems are you running? The rail system is kind of short, and I'm thinking mini scout fire, not really sure. Drop your IG handle in the comment below so I can check it out. Till next video, peace.